Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue with the chapter The Mughal Empire, and today we will be discussing on the Mansabdars and the Jagirdars. So let's get into the Mansabdars and the Jagirdars. Mansabdars and Jagirdars were under the Mughal Empire. It means this two words we can get from the Mughal Empire, that is the reign during the Mughals. Mughal Empire introduced many system of administration which was newly formed. New administrative system was introduced by the Mughals. Now, among all the systems, Mansabdars and Jagirdars was introduced by Akbar the Great. So, Mansabdar and Jagirdar was introduced by Akbar. That is a administrative system. Now we will discuss more about the Mansabdars and Jagirdars. Now, with the expansion of the empire, the Mughals started recruiting different people. So as we know that if the empire will keep on increasing in its size, then definitely more and more number of people will be required to maintain this great place or this great territory. So what the Mughals did, the Mughals started recruiting different peoples to the administrative areas. Now, along with the Turkish nobles, what they did, the Mughals also started recruiting Iranian, Indian Muslims, Afghans, Rajputs and Marathas. So not only the Turkish noble but also these people, that is the Iranian, Indian Muslim, Afghans, Rajputs, Marathas, they were also recruited by the Mughals in the Mansabdars and Jagirdari areas. Now these people who joined the Mughal services, that is all the people which we have discussed before, the Iranian, the Indian Muslim, Afghans, they were those who joined the Mughal to give service to the nobles, were known as the Mansabdars. Mansabdar means the person holding a rank, and it was used for fixing rank, salary and military responsibilities. So Mansabdar is basically a rank, a person holding, and his basic work is to fix rank, salary and other military responsibilities were also given to the Mansabdars. So this was what about the meaning of Mansabdar. Now the salary and rank was determined by a numerical value which we call as Zat. So Zat is a numerical value which determines the rank and salary. The responsibility of Mansabdar was to maintain a specified number of Sawar or cavalrymen. So the main responsibility of the Mansabdar is to maintain a specified number of Sawar or cavalrymen. Next is the Mansabdar brought his cavalrymen for review, branded their horse and then received money to pay them salary. So Mansabdar, what they did, they brought his cavalrymen for reviewing and also for branding the horses and also to receive money to pay them salary. Mansabdars received their salaries as in a form of revenue assignment which we call as Jagirs. Jagirs were the land which were given to the Mansabdars to collect revenue. So Jagirs were basically land from which the Mansabdar could collect revenue. The revenue from the Jagir was collected by the servants of Mansabdar. Now the revenue which was collected from the Jagir, it was basically collected by the servants of the Mansabdars. These Jagirs were strictly checked in Akbar's region so that the revenue is equal to the salary of Mansabdar. So now these Jagirs were strictly checked during the Akbar's reign, and so that equal amount of distribution of salary could be there among the Mansabdars. In Aurangzeb's rule, what happened? There was a huge increase in the number of Mansabdars. So if there will be huge increase in the number of Mansabdar, definitely there will be huge increase in the revenue also. So what happened? This led to the shortage of Jagirs. So in one hand there was increase in Mansabdar, but on the other hand the Jagirs were decreasing, or it was getting shortage. So finally what happened? This made the Jagirdars to collect more and more revenue up to when they had Jagir. So this led the Jagirdar to collect more and more money to fulfill the demand of the Mansabdars. And finally, Aurangzeb tried to control this, but he didn't. He was not able to. He failed in doing so. So this was all about the Mansabdars and Jagirdars. Thank you so much, everyone.